Hey guys, so I've had some questions about Zearn and I think that I have got it. So I'm going to show you how to add a class and your account and all of that. So once you go to zearn.org, you will come up, if you haven't already made your own account, you will do that. There's some things down here. You sign up for free. I'm an adult. You'll add all of this in. You'll do some other things for your profile, what grade you teach, things like that. And then it'll send you an email. You'll confirm that, and then you will sign in. So let me go back here. So here's my username, my password. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. From there, I'm going to get started. You can also go here, classes. And then I'm going to add a class. This is what students will see when they log in on their iPad or on the computer. So I'm going to do Mrs. Page's class. This is where I can change what grade, so I'll keep it at K. And I'm going to finish this. This is my class code. This is the code that the students will use to get into my class. So you want your students to know this code. I'm going to go ahead and add students. If you have a list, you can copy and paste them in here, or you can just add them. I'm going to add Charlie's first and last name. So after I do that, I'll click Next. This is where I can change his username and his password. So if I keep his username Charlie Page 1, I'm going to change it. We'll do okay, and then from there, I'm going to click Next. This is where I can change what I want them to start on. I've done this a few times, and so I've noticed that each grade is different. First grade will have them starting on something different than second grade and then kindergarten. So you choose what you want them to start. So if I want them to start numbers to 5, and then I click Finish. Okay, from here, you can print this login card. So if I want Charlie to know, this is, I want him to know his username, his password, directions on how to do it, I can get login cards for all of the students. This is something that I did for code.org. It's very, very similar. So this class code, I'm going to remember this. I'm going to have to refer back to it, but I'm going to show you what it looks like as you're signing in as a student. So I'm done with this. After it loads. Maybe while it's loading. Let me show you this. So I've gotten the Zearn link on the iPads. So I'm going to add this to all of the iPads, but when you get onto the iPads, you've got Zearn down there in the very bottom, the Z. So I'm going to put Zearn at the very bottom on all of the iPads for you guys. And when you do this, you just click on it, and then it looks very, very similar to how you are signing in on the computer. This is taking a really long time. Oops. Let's see if I can get it back to where I was. You guys are in my video. Okay, so it's not letting me go back. Get out. Okay, so I'm going to sign out of here, and then I'm going to log back in as a student, and Charlie Page 1 is what I had. Okay, so this is as a student. So his class code, and I'm going to go back to this. Okay, so it's popped up with my class. I know I'm in the right spot, so I'm going to join class. And then from there, it starts you off, I think, where the first place that you're going to start off, and then you work up to going through different things. After they sign out, then it just pops right back up. So then the next student will be able to get onto the iPad and do that again. So it looks really similar on the iPad that it does on the computer. So again, that icon, I've added it to the home page, so it will be on the bottom for everyone. And you can change your passwords to be whatever your students will be able to do. Some teachers, I think, are doing the same thing as Spelling Study and iStation. So whatever works for you. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll find the answer. Thanks.